Okay guys, welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. If you like our last video, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe and comment in the section down below. There's no time to waste guys, we need to final assembly the engine, check all the fluids, put this sucker on 10 and make sure that we do a test drive. Fingers crossed that she stays all apart.
Hi guys, here we are again. We're currently driving the Maserati to the fuel station because it's a bit thirsty, right Daryl?
Yeah, and it's also our first test drive.
First test drive of the V8 engine.
So fingers crossed that everything stays at 1.
So that's right.
And we don't have a bucket full of parts. Okay guys, so yesterday's test drive was amazing. Today we got some very nice parts waiting in the garage, so let's head on inside. Okay guys, so the most important item of the car is here, the grille of the Maserati.
With the 3-tooth emblem on it.
So who's going to unpack it right now? I give you the knife, sir. that look, guys?
Yeah, much
Wow,
better
looks
already.
amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to figure out how to assemble this grill, so we will check you in a bit.
So guys, after installing the grill, it's time to put in the taillight. But first, we have to unpack it.
Looks like Christmas, guys, here. Wow. Okay guys, so the LED tail light is finally in. And look at this beautiful view. This is the brake. Unleash the brake. This is just your normal lights. And then the blinker rule. Wow. So it's all back together now. Just a couple of small pieces that we need to install. Some fancy trim. And then she's good to go. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so most of the parts are fitted on the Maserati. As you can see, it's already late and dark outside. So that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below. See you in the next video.